Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to print the day one journal on your device. Now if you want to print the journal from the day one on your device but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have installed the day one journal app on your device. So if you have not installed, then you may install it from App Store or Play Store on your device. So after that you just need to open the day one journal app and make sure that you are already logged into your account. So if you are not logged in, then you won't be able to print the day one journal. So here is the home page of the day one journal, where is various options like journal and more at the very bottom, and the option of list, calendar, media and map at the upper taskbar. So if you are not on the list, then you may click on the option of list and you just need to select the journal which you want to print. So I'll simply select the journal into which I want to print, and on this page you'll see the three straight dots at the very top right. Click on the three straight dots and from here you'll see the option of tag, move to, copy to and all of it. So at the very bottom you'll see the option of export, view PDF and all of it. So click on the option of export, and from here you may share it with your friends and also copy and also view it in PDF. And if you want to export the plain text or view plain text, then you may simply click on the option of export plain text. So if you want to export it as the JSON file, then you may simply click on the three straight dots again and click on the option of export, and from here you'll see the option of export JSON. So I'll simply click on the option of export plain file, and as you can see that it has already been set. So to find it you may click on the option of files on your iPhone and you'll be able to find it there. So that's it. That's how you can print the day one journal from the day one journal app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.